For a brilliant summery recipe, why not try making my roast chicken with herb mayo? To make the mayo, you will need some virgin olive oil, some cider vinegar, some mustard, and then some herbs like I've used some mint and some dill and some chives, which together make a really fresh mayonnaise. So firstly, you want to crack those eggs. We only want to use the yolk, so try scooping out the yolk with those eggshells and placing them into separate bowls from the whites. You don't need to waste the whites. You can also use them for an omelette or something like that later, so you can always keep that and not waste it. So to the egg yolks, we want to add in some mustard to give it a bit of heat, some cider vinegar as well. Then whisk everything up together at a steady speed, and while you're doing this, just gently drip that olive oil into your mayonnaise, and it will slowly kind of coagulate and come together into a thickened sauce, and this is the kind of texture that you want, so keep whisking it till it's quite thick. Once you've done that, you want to chuck in those chopped fresh herbs into your mayonnaise and give it a good mix. Season as well with some salt and pepper, and then what you want to do is you want to keep it in the fridge up until when you're serving. We're going to do our roast chicken now. So what we want to do is make a salted butter. So we've got some butter, some garlic, some thyme leaves as well, and some lemon juice. So mix it all together in a bowl until the butter's nice and soft, so ready to put all over that roast chicken. Butter, we want to kind of ease it gently underneath the chicken skin if we can, and also spread it all over on top and underneath the chicken, so it's kind of covered in that lovely butter. You can also add some lemon slices inside the chicken as well. That will give it a lovely flavour. Drizzle over some olive oil, and then it's ready to go in the oven. When that chicken is done, take it out and baste it in all those glorious chickeny juices from the pan, just to keep that meat lovely and moist and tender. Cover and leave the chicken to rest while you make a lovely salad to go with your dish, and then when you're ready to serve, just cut the chicken up into pieces and serve on a plate with side salad and some of that lovely mayonnaise that you made earlier. Such a lovely summery dish, and I hope you guys enjoy it at home. Please like and subscribe for more videos.